In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your password in case that you forgot it in Facebook. So let's go to the login page and then tap on your account and then tap forgot password at the bottom. And in the find your account page, I'm going to tap search by your email, and then I'll just put my email in the search field and then tap enter. And then tap on continue, and then tap on continue again. Create a new password, and then tap on continue, and then tap on OK. And that is how you reset your forgotten password on Facebook. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Have a good day.